Morning guys, well as you can see I'm on the bike and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I know the owners of a bike shop in Phuket and they've asked me if I want to join them on a ride today, so we're going over to Phang Nga and have a little bit of a ride around, have some lunch, etc. So it should be quite an interesting day. So I'm all kitted out on the bike with all the cameras, got all the gear on. So yeah, that's where I'm heading now. I'm going to meet up 9:30 in the morning. I don't know how many people are going, but by the sounds of it there's quite a few, so it should be quite an interesting day. I'm looking forward to it. First time I've been out with a group ride, so as they say, I know the owners quite well and they've invited me to come along. Weather's not particularly great, bit cloudy start, but it's nice and cool, especially as I've got all the gear on today. It's going to be warm. When you've got the jackets on, etc. out here, it's quite difficult to wear all the gear out here because of the humidity. You just feel like you're wearing a suit, a sauna suit should I say. So, but when you're travelling any distance, it's always wise to have the full protection on, or as much as possible. Let's get through this traffic. I'm actually running a little bit late. So I'm going out with Ridemania, as the shop's called. Oh yes! The bike's running really nice. I've started to do some remapping on it now. Oh, baby! I've got the engine data log box connected to the bike because I thought it'd be a good opportunity to get some data off the engine, going out quite a few hours. So I'm going to see what the engine's doing when I can get back, see what's happening inside of it, see how I can make some more improvements. Oh, baby. Sounds really good as well with this exhaust now. Really pleased with how she's running at the moment. It's an absolute animal. Funny place to park a car, right on the traffic lights like that. Somebody gone for breakfast, I guess. Only a few minutes away now from the shop. Let's see how many's over there, and then we've got to go from there to a petrol station where they meet other people as well. So there's two parts that can, places that can join. Looks like there's quite a few here. Oh, interesting day. Well guys, certainly a nice collection of bikes here this morning. We've got a Yamaha R6, sounds really nice. Some CBR 1000 RRs. Even got a H2 along for the ride, so Kawasaki H2. It's going to be an interesting day today. So I think we're just about getting ready to go. I don't know how it works, but I'm sure I'm gonna find out. I guess that's the H2. Looks like we're going. We're going to go and meet the second load now at the petrol station. So I'm talking to a guy there called Tiger. He reckons there's quite a few groups now over here with big bikes. They go riding regular 2 or 3 times a week. As many as 200 riders. So that's really surprised me. A lot of traffic this morning in Phuket as always. Been nice to get outside of Phuket. Way too busy here now with cars.
just had some lunch, very nice, just some chicken fried rice for me, but they do desserts in there and everything, so I thought I'd come out 5 minutes, film some of the bikes that are here today. Nice Honda CBR 1000 RR next to an R6, and that sounds beautiful. It's not really got an exhaust pipe as such, it's just the pipe, no exhaust on it, but it does sound awesome. Nice looking bike that. So some real nice bikes here today, got a good mix. Really pleased with the way my bike's running now. I've been doing some remapping with the Woolich stuff. I've just started really, so I'm using this run today to sort of really test out the software and getting some engine data stored on it, because you have to ride the bike, record all the throttle positions and obviously all the different RPMs, and then that allows you to see what the fueling's doing on the bike, the timing, etc. through the gears. I've started doing, I really like the H2, real nice bike, beautiful. So very pleased with how mine's running today, looks really nice, sounds really good. I had some good feedback on the bike, some of the guys say it looks really smart, sounds lovely, so I'm really pleased. Nice GSX S 1000, real nice bike. I looked at buying one of those myself, really like that bike. Good array of bikes today. We've even got a CB R150, I believe. I'm surprised, I think that's a lady owner that's on that. So yeah, it's a good mix of people today, real good mix. A few groups in Phuket that I didn't know about that go out on regular rides, so I've met some new people today, so that's looks like I'm going to be able to go out. Nice Z8 800 there, and a lovely street triple there, Triumph. Yeah, I like that, real nice bike. I like the Triumphs. I looked at getting a Triumph myself, just the price put me off. The price put me off on the Triumph, but nice with the exhausts, very nice. I like that. So yeah, I've met a few friends, people I know now, invited me out on some more rides, so hopefully it's going to become a regular thing now. Apparently most of them go out on Sundays. This Sunday is going to be a short meet because the King's daughter is coming to Phuket today, so there's going to be a lot of police activity later on the island. They're setting up all closing roads because the princess is in Phuket, so obviously with the bikes and everything they want to get back before the police have a heavy presence there. Love that R6, really like the R6, nice looking bike, that real nice, lovely bike. So I think we're going to leave the restaurant and then go through Phang Nga. I'm not quite sure exactly what they're doing. The group got split up earlier on, and it sort of delayed us. Wasn't sure where we were going, so but we got there in the end. So yeah, really nice day today, and the sun's come out now. We've got real good meet of people here, good mix, a few English guys, and good mix of different people today. So yeah, really pleased. Turning out to be a real nice day. So that's all I have for you now, guys. I'll speak to you real soon. Until next time, catch you later.